pride of the heather, with fire in your hair, with cheeks like the dawn, and a gaze pure and fair, the pride of the hills, where the wild rivers roam. You carry the light and the heart of our home. With rosy cheeks and copper hair, a fair Irish face beyond compare, with laughter as soft as the wind in the glen, you dance through the fields, O shining all men. Your spirit unbending, your heart pure and true, like the green hills of Erin, oh, forever in view. With rosy cheeks and copper hair, a fair Irish face beyond compare, a rose in the winter, so strong in the storm, your beauty withstands where the wild winds are born. With hair like the sunset and eyes like the sea, you're the soul of this land, forever to be. With rosy cheeks and copper hair, a fair Irish face beyond compare, through stories and songs your memory we keep, for you're in every heart where Ireland runs deep. A beacon of grace in the mist and the moor, our pride and our pulse forever secure. With rosy cheeks and copper hair, a fair Irish face beyond compare, so raise a soft tune to the maidens of old, with cheeks flushed in rose and hair kissed by gold.